Welcome to another short video from PCS Legal. Today we're going to talk about the protocol forms. When it comes to selling a property, you will need to complete and sign what are called the Law Society's protocol forms. These are property information forms designed to give as much information to a buyer at the onset of the conveyancing process. Once you've instructed a lawyer to act on your behalf, you'll be sent the Fixtures and Fittings form known as the TA10, a property information form or PIF known as the TA6, and if the property is leasehold, then there is a leasehold information form called the TA7. Imagine if you were buying a house and turned up with the keys on the completion date to find out that the entire property had been stripped bare by the seller. Well, the TA10 form means that this cannot happen, as both the buyer and the seller agrees with what stays and what goes as part of the contract for sale. The form is effectively a list of furniture that the seller will tick as being left or being taken on completion. The seller's property information form should be completed to the best of the seller's knowledge, and the replies should be checked carefully by the buyer. The TA6 form requires the seller to disclose information on matters such as disputes, alterations to the property, planning consents, property insurance, flooding, parking, and energy efficiency, just to name a few. The seller's leasehold information form is similar in theory to that of the property information form, but focuses purely on the leasehold aspect of the property to cover information relating to matters such as the name of the landlord and the managing agent, together with amounts of ground rent and service charge figures, again to name just a small segment of the information it contains. The theory behind the protocol forms are that the seller will provide as much information to the buyer at the start so that a buyer and or their lawyer do not need to ask numerous questions of a general nature. They must be fully completed and executed by all owners of the property. I hope you found this short video insightful, and if you have any questions regarding the protocol forms, how to complete the same, or any other conveyancing matters, please contact PCS Legal at our offices across Basildon, Ongar, Wickford or London.